Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I post hauls, vlogs, DIY, shop with me, get ready to do all that. So if you like all that kind of content, definitely hit that subscribe button down there because you don't want to miss my videos. So today's video is going to be a Dollar Tree haul. I found all the new like Christmas little stocking stuffers and a lot of new products. So literally this whole video is like new products and the new Christmas stocking stuffers and stuff. And I did straighten my hair today. It is Thanksgiving as I'm filming this, so happy Thanksgiving if you celebrate. And by the time you see this, it'll be a couple days after, but still. But yeah, I straightened my hair and did my makeup today, so of course I'm gonna film. But I'll shut up and let's get into this haul. So first off, I did get the gold cup. These are $150, but honestly, I love this gold, and it's perfect for like any time, holiday, whatever. Oh, my tooth. Anyway, but yeah, so I did get the gold cup because I just love this color. So I got that. Then I did get these birthday cake cookies. I was hungry when I bought these, but of course I didn't eat them. But real butter, cane sugar, and they're good till 2026. So birthday cake cookies. Then I got this little bow drawer set. I think it is so cute. You can put really whatever you want, but I just love the bows. So got that. Then I got the large zip makeup bag. I don't ever remember seeing this color. Oh, I just wiped my powder off. I never remember seeing this color before, so I got this. I don't know if this one has the brush thing inside. Let's see. No, this one just the zip. But I never saw this color, remember, so got that. Then I did find the hand creams. I got 4, so the other one's probably another bag that we'll get to. But I did find the Natural Breeze Ultra Moisturizing Hand Cream. So this is in lavender vanilla. And then we have coconut shea and rose olive oil. I do want to open the rose olive oil because this one is for me. I'm curious to see the packaging. Okay. So nice size. So it's 3.3 ounce, 3 ounces rose olive oil ultra hand cream. So this is the size of all of them, but good find for $1.25. Good stocking stuffer. Then we got the Alice in Wonderland body scrub. This is in sugared lemon. They had other ones too that I was going through, but this one sounded the most that one to try, the lemon. So I got that. Then I did get this little chapstick, lip balm, SpongeBob SquarePants, peppermint flavored. I just got it because of SpongeBob, honestly. So that. Then I did get a sweet pink serum blush. This is going on a stocking, so got that. Then I got the LA Colors Sculpting Duo Cream and Powder Highlight Bronzer Duo, and this is in Lit From Within. Blendable cream and powder layered together or separate. So we got that. Then I did find the fashion hairbrush. So it looks like this, and obviously it's like that. And let's take it out of the packaging. Easier to show you. They had all different colors too. So this is just what it looks like. Simple. Here, let's try it. I don't want to mess up. Okay, it's actually nice. It goes through your hair. So, got that. Then, from the new Ioni collection, I got the Warm Toffee lipstick. I love this shade. So, got that. Then, I did get this book, Jim Carrey, Memoirs in Misinformation. Normally I don't get the books because $1.50 is kind of whatever, but the fact that they had Jim Carrey for $1.50, I grabbed it. We have mint, orange, and blueberry. Blue raspberry for that. Next bag. I did finally find the drawing tablets. They are $1.75, but I think it is worth it for these little drawing tablets. So got those. They have multiple colors too. Then I did spend $1.75 on these two. It's these little blind bag charms. So we're gonna open it. You guys know I love blind bags. So when I saw this, I was like, yes, please. So, and I've never saw them again since I bought it this day. So let's see what I get. Gotta cut farther. So 4 surprise charms. I don't know if you get 4 in each bag or how this works. Okay, you do. So you get a little string to put it on. Okay, so our first one is this little thing. And then this little thing. This thing. And then it's like Bob the Builder. So I guess you make them, oh yeah, you make them into little charms. So you get 4 in each, collect them all. So I guess I have to collect 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 more to collect. So that was random, but I got those. Then from the holiday stuff, we have these little cosmetic bags. This one says stuff, and honestly, they're not that big. I think it's more just they're cute. So this one says stuff, and then the other one says stuff again, but it's like this pink color. And then the last different one is glam, and it's pink. And then they did have the stuff one, but in the blue color. So this one comes in blue and pink. And then the other ones are just that. So cute, but small. And then we have grape, strawberry, and apple in those. And also what's on my hand. So that's that bag. Then this bag is right here. Oh yeah, this store was stocked on these. These are great. Snagged that. Okay, I found these biscotti little raspberry filled cookies. Again, I was hungry this day, so I got these. Interested to see if they're good. Then I got the plumping lip gloss in sorbet. Again, actually, we're gonna try this out right here, right now, because I love the shade. So I want to try it. How cute. Okay, so I guess you have to push this thing. Yeah, you have to push this thing to get it up. There we go. Let's try it. We're gonna layer. Oh, I do like this color. Very, very moisturizing. So I can't figure out how to get it down, but yeah. Is it plumping it? Not sure. But I am a fan of that, so I'm glad I just tried that. And again, that was in sorbet. And I'm still going to do a whole video on the whole collection. Okay, then we got the LA Colors layered together again. The cream and powder bronzer, but this isn't So Sunkissed. So got that one. I think there's like 4 or 5 different shades. Then I found these new huge freaking hair clips. I love the size of these. I straightened my hair today, so I'm not going to put this in. But now that my hair is shorter, I feel like these will go great in my hair. And actually, let's see what they look like the back of them. Okay. So, super cute though. I got that. Then, super random. These are the best candy in Dollar Tree, I swear. I got that. And we got some white bread for stuffing the turkey. Then, okay, this is part of the new collection that we're going to get into. But this is the lip gloss with grapeseed oil. And Can we just talk about the bling yeah. So this is part of the new collection that we're gonna get into. Okay, one item and then the collection. So I did get the Prolux foundation in Shell, which I am wearing light today, and it worked great, but I wanted to try something not a little darker, but a little darker, if that makes any sense. So I got that. Now we're on to all the little beauty gifts. So first we have the silicone scalp massager. So if I didn't straighten my hair, I would try this right now, but it feels really soft, so I feel like I could actually use this on my scalp, unlike the other ones that are like those plasticky things. These are silicone, so I'm excited. And then we have the lip gloss. That is so gorgeous, literally. Let's see it out of the packaging, shall we? I could never be a full-time package opener. I rip everything. So it's super cute. It definitely feels like plasticky, but it still looks cute though. So we got that. Then we got the makeup brush. And this one's in pink, and you have the brush on top and like the blender on the bottom. Again, let's just open it, shall we? So yeah, like the little brush on top and the blender on the bottom. So that is super convenient and super cute. So we have it in pink and then red, which is gorgeous. Again, we're gonna take it out of the packaging. So yeah, red and then like a darker pink blender. I can't get the cap back on. So we have pink and red in these, super cute. Then we have the jeweled makeup puffs, which I feel like we've had a couple times or something, but these are red hearts. And then we have the pink hearts. So again, red and pink is like the theme, I guess. So got those, super cute. Then let's just reach in here. We have this is probably what I'm most excited for, the makeup sponge. But it's not just any makeup sponge. Let's just open it so I can really show you. So, of course it's stuck in the box. So, it's in a diamond little case. Like, are we kidding? If I can figure out how to open it. Oh, here we go. If I break a nail. Okay, here we go. How cute is that? So we get the little blender and then the little diamond case. Like, are we serious? Can't get it back in now that I'm talking about it. I'm literally obsessed with this. So we have that one, and then I know there's another color if I can find it, and purple. So purple, it's just so much easier to show you out of the box. Purple and pink. And these little diamond holders, which are just stunning. Then, what's this? Okay, then I'm pulling out of the bag. We have this pillow scrunchie, adult use only. So, it's a little pillow scrunchie. Again, we just gotta see what these are. Oh, these are nice. So, this is the pillow scrunchie. Then, we have the Beauty Sleep Satin Pillowcase. I'm super excited for this, not even gonna lie. But it's like light pink, super cute. And then we have the little hair tie. And then this brush was in this like box too. So yeah, we have that. Then the last items I found, we got the lip gloss with grapeseed oil. Yeah, there are 2 shades. So we have the lighter and like the darker mauve. So we have those. Then we have the Kylie little dupes. We have the lip contour kit. So we get a lipstick and a lip liner. And this one is in Marvelous Mauve. It's matte. And then we have lip contour kit and cherry pop. So let's take them out of the package. Straight, like they really duped. Dollar Tree knows how to dupe, I guess, right? So this is Cherry Pop, I think. Yeah, this one's Cherry Pop. So that's what and that's a little lip liner. And then the mauve, which, of course, is mauve. But yeah, so that's all the new stocking stuffer stuff that I found for now. I know there's so much more, but that's what I found for now. And that's some of the new stuff I found. But once I find like all of the stocking stuffers, I'll definitely do like a full video on just the stocking stuffer stuff if you guys want to see that. But yeah, so as I'm filming this, it's Thanksgiving, so hopefully you all had a great Thanksgiving. Comment down below your favorite Thanksgiving food. I want to know. Mine's ham. And the marshmallows on the sweet potatoes. But no, comment down below your favorite Thanksgiving food. And definitely don't forget to subscribe, share the channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe.